In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ratings and reviews for your page in Meta Business Suite. If you want to keep track of what people are saying about your business on Facebook, Meta Business Suite makes it fairly simple to access your page's ratings and reviews. This is useful for monitoring customer feedback, responding quickly when needed, and getting a better sense of your audience's experience with your brand. To begin, make sure you're already logged into Meta Business Suite and viewing the correct business account and page. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the navigation area and find the option labeled All Tools. Go ahead and click on All Tools to open the full menu of business features available to you. This section is helpful because it brings together a wider set of tools that may not always appear in the main sidebar. If you ever feel like a feature is hard to find in Meta Business Suite, All Tools is often the best place to check first. It acts like a central directory, helping you locate specific management options for your page. After the All Tools menu opens, look through the available options until you find Ratings and Reviews. When you see it, click on Ratings and Reviews to open that section. Once you're there, you'll be able to view the ratings and reviews connected to your page. This is where you can monitor public feedback and stay updated on how visitors and customers are evaluating your business. If your page receives new recommendations or comments, this area can help you keep everything organized in one place. A good habit is to check this section regularly, especially if customer experience is important to your business. Positive reviews can highlight what you're doing well, while negative feedback can point to areas where you may want to improve. Reading reviews consistently can also help you respond in a timely and professional way. That's all it takes to find ratings and reviews for your page in Meta Business Suite. Just open All Tools, then select Ratings and Reviews. It's a quick process, but it gives you access to valuable feedback that can help you better understand and manage your online reputation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate Meta Business Suite with more confidence.